Samsung might be making a bold move with its upcoming Galaxy S26 series, and it could change the way we use AI on smartphones. A recent report from Bloomberg suggests that Samsung is thinking about teaming up with a fast-growing AI company called Perplexity. If this partnership happens, Perplexity's AI assistant and search features could come pre-installed on Galaxy S26 phones. Not only that, but it could also be deeply built into Samsung's internet browser and Bixby, its voice assistant. So, what is Perplexity? It's a modern AI search and assistant tool that's gaining popularity. It works on both Android and iOS right now. What makes it different is its ability to handle not just simple questions, but also complex tasks. It can remember past questions, offer follow-up answers, and show where it gets its information from. This makes it a trustworthy option for users. Because of these advanced features and real-time data use, many people now see Perplexity as a real competitor to traditional search engines like Google, and it looks like Samsung has taken notice. If this deal goes through, Samsung might make Perplexity the default assistant on Galaxy S26 phones. While it wouldn't replace Bixby or Google Assistant completely, it would become a key part of the Galaxy experience. The app would come pre-installed and its AI tools could be integrated into Samsung's software. This isn't the first time Samsung has looked for alternatives to Google. In 2023, there were rumors about Samsung considering a switch from Google to Bing as its default search engine. That idea caused a lot of buzz and reportedly made Google nervous. Although that switch didn't happen, it showed that Samsung is open to new ideas. What's different now is that Perplexity offers more than just a search engine. It's an AI system that could fit smoothly into Samsung's phones and software, offering a smarter, more flexible experience. Interestingly, Motorola has already taken a step in this direction. Its Razr 2025 phones came with Perplexity, Google, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and Motorola's own Moto AI, all on one device. While it gave users more choices, it also made things a bit confusing. To fix this, Motorola introduced a feature called Next Move to help users decide which assistant to use for different tasks. Samsung, however, usually takes a more careful and organized approach with its software. If Perplexity becomes part of One UI, Samsung will likely make sure it's easy to use and well explained. The company will need to show users what Perplexity can do and why it matters. Meanwhile, Google isn't slowing down. At its recent Google I/O 2025 event, the company announced its new AI Ultra package. It includes smarter search results, AI-generated images, and interactive tools for learning and coding. These updates are clearly aimed at staying ahead of the competition, especially as big partners like Samsung explore new AI options. If Samsung finalizes its partnership with Perplexity, it could mark a big shift in how AI works on smartphones. Samsung would get more control over its AI features, reduce its reliance on Google, and give users something fresh and different. We don't yet know if Samsung will fully commit to Perplexity or simply offer it alongside Bixby and Google Assistant. But one thing's clear. Samsung is actively looking at a future where it doesn't have to depend so heavily on Google. A formal announcement could happen later this year. If it does, the Galaxy S26 series might be more than just another phone upgrade. It could be the start of a new AI experience built around Perplexity, so stay tuned for more updates. Samsung's next move might just change the way we search, browse, and use AI on our phones.